Number 1. 1985 International Flatbed, $2,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1985 International Flatbed truck is an affordable heavy-duty workhorse powered by the durable 6.9L diesel V8, known for high reliability and low RPM torque. With only 57,000 miles and previously owned by EBID, it has likely been maintained on schedule. The truck runs well but needs new batteries before consistent use. It features rear-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. Ideal for farm, ranch, or project use, this truck offers outstanding utility for the price. Number 2. 1987 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat, $7,500, Scottsdale, Arizona. A well-preserved Ford F-250 XLT Lariat equipped with the robust 460 cubic inch V8. The seller has owned it for 8 years and reports a rust-free, accident-free body, rare for a truck this age. It includes a camper shell, tow package, and 3 fuel tanks. It ran well when parked several years ago, but the carburetor may need service. With a clean title and excellent overall condition, this classic heavy-duty pickup is a strong candidate for light restoration and weekend hauling. Number 3. 1987 Toyota Pickup, $6,200, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1987 Toyota pickup is a rust-free survivor equipped with the legendary 22R 4-cylinder and 5-speed manual transmission. Performance upgrades include a Weber carburetor setup, LC engineering header, street clutch, and new universal joints. It features ice-cold air conditioning, good tires, and a clean Oregon title. Despite 260,000 miles, the 22R is known for exceptional longevity, making this truck ideal for enthusiasts wanting a simple, durable, rear-wheel drive classic. Number 4. 1989 Dodge Dakota, $1,500, Vernon, British Columbia. This 1989 Dodge Dakota regular cab long bed has a V6, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. With 400,000 kilometers, it still runs and shifts well. Recent maintenance includes new front brakes, wheel bearings, radiator, and front-end work. It served as a dependable daily driver for a year, with a functioning heater and a clean title, making it an affordable light-duty classic. Number 5. 1984 GMC Short Box, $4,500, Overton, Nebraska. A simple and appealing 1984 GMC four-wheel drive short box pickup showing 30,000 miles on the odometer. It is a straightforward classic work truck platform with strong collector interest thanks to its body style. A clean title and manual transmission add to its appeal for hobbyists seeking a basic square body build. Number 6. 1984 GMC Pickup, $3,500, Overton, Nebraska. This 1984 GMC half-ton rear-wheel drive pickup features an automatic transmission and a dependable 350 engine that runs and drives. It includes power windows and air conditioning, making it more comfortable than most trucks of its era. With 30,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it is a practical budget classic. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet El Camino, $10,000, Little Elm, Texas. A clean and mostly original 1987 Chevrolet El Camino finished in purple with a clean Texas title. It has a V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck maintains a good overall condition. As one of the last model years for the El Camino, it appeals to collectors who prefer originality. Number 8. 1990 Ford Ranger, 4 parts $500, Portland, Oregon, offered strictly for parts. This 1990 Ford Ranger has significant water damage inside the cab due to a heater core leak causing mold. It was recently in an accident that damaged the rear body and front bumper, and it currently does not start because of a suspected starter or solenoid issue. With visible damage, a salvage condition, and broken odometer, it is valuable mainly for items like tires, stereo, battery, and miscellaneous components. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet K20 Long Bed, $8,000, Los Osos, California. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 is a strong daily driver equipped with a 5.7 LGM Goodwrench replacement engine and many recently installed mechanical components. The list includes exhaust manifolds, timing chain, water pump, power steering system, ignition parts, hoses, transmission cooler, and more. Suspension updates, new tires, upgraded shocks, and a clean title in the seller's name add confidence. The odometer is broken, but condition and extensive maintenance make it a solid heavy-duty classic. Number 10, 1989 AM General M998 HMMWV, $17,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1989 AM General M998 HMMWV is a street-legal military vehicle overhauled by the Maine Military Authority in 2005. It features a diesel V8, four-wheel drive, canvas doors, soft top, and rear troop seating. The truck has only 28,000 miles, and around 7,500 added by the current owner. It has new wheels, tires with low mileage, and lightly tinted glass. Cosmetic issues include a loose zipper on one door and a partially missing mirror pane. Overall, it is a reliable, low-mile military classic ready for recreational use. Number 11, 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $8,550, Placer County, California. A straight-bodied 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper with clean chrome, original tinted glass, and solid interior components. It features a newer 350 engine with a rebuilt carburetor, new ignition parts, and a tidy engine bay with no oil leaks. The bed floor and inner fenders are exceptionally preserved. It needs minor wiring attention, including alternator and gauge connections. A missing title is the main drawback, but overall condition and originality make it a desirable camper or classic. Number 12, 1948 Ford F1 Pickup, $7,875, Yucca Valley, California, stored since 1990. This 1948 Ford F1 carries a clean California title and original black and yellow plates. A previous owner swapped in an Oldsmobile 350 V8 with an automatic transmission and added an F85 insert along with air conditioning components. The truck has not run for about 20 years, but rolls and steers on recently mounted used tires. With an untouched original bench seat and classic body lines, it is a solid restoration candidate for collectors of early post-war Ford trucks.